How to install ChatGPT? ChatGPT has been creating waves across every single industry, and people want to know how to get clicked and get easy access to it. But let me tell you that there is no official application for ChatGPT right now available online. However, there are a few workarounds for this. All you need to do is open up Chrome and just visit chat.openai.com. If you haven't logged in yet, I highly recommend that you do so. Once you have logged in, all you need to do is click on the three dots on the top right corner and then navigate to the Add to Home Screen button. Once you click on that button, Chrome will ask you to set a name for that shortcut. I have added ChatGPT over here. Once you click on Enter, you will get the icon for your shortcut. You can drag and drop this icon anywhere onto your home screen. And with the shortcut, you can access ChatGPT anywhere, anytime you like.